Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about how to know when your rear brake drums are worn. So basically what led me to do this is that I went for my annual inspection and I was told that my rear brakes don't work. So I've investigated the whole problem or the issue, and it comes down to just one thing, which I'm going to show you, and that tells you when to actually replace your rear drums. So I already have the replacement parts that I've bought. I'm going to show you the difference between the one that's on the vehicle and the replacement one. So I'd have to zoom in to show you what the problem is. So by the way, this car has over 250,000 or close to 250,000 miles. So if you look down here, right, this has a lip. So this has worn down, right? So this is where the shoe brakes sit, within this shiny bit, and it has worn down the drum, so up to the point where there's a lip here. So what happens is that no matter how much you adjust this, because this lip is higher than this sitting area, when you try fitting it over the brake shoe, it's going to be very difficult to fit. And that's exactly one of the reasons why it was also difficult to remove, even though when it's fully when the drum is fully seated, you can spin it freely. So this is the used one that I got, and unfortunately where I am, they don't sell brand new rotors. So yeah, so there's no lip on this yet. Alright, compared to this one. So this is in better shape. So one last thing I forgot to mention is that if you look here, so this is max diameter, 221 millimeters. So what that tells you is that the maximum tolerance for wear on the inner part of this, that's the maximum diameter that this brake drum should have for it to continue to be effective, should be less than 221 millimeters. So anytime that, because I'm sure if I measure this now, I don't have a tape, but I'm sure if I measure this, it's going to be more than that. Thank you very much.